Hi friends, I am making this video to share with you the latest version of the automated OI analysis tool which has been prepared by my friend Parminder. Before I start showing you the tool, let me also share with you some of the key features which this latest version has. So the latest version now gives you an option to either manually pull the option chain or to auto run the tool at a prescribed time interval. So for example, in case you want to pull the data every 5 minutes, at the very beginning, you put 5 as your desired time interval. And thereafter, if you click auto run, the data would be pulled every 5 minutes and it will be refreshed. You also see a column expiry here. Expiry 1 for stocks would mean the current month. Expiry 2 would mean the next month. And expiry 3 would mean the far month expiry for that particular stock. Similarly, if we choose Nifty and Bank Nifty here, then we will see one will be the current week, two would be the next week, and so on and so forth. You can keep pulling data beyond 3 weeks or 4 weeks. So these are the two key changes which we have made. Apart from some changes which have happened in the background may not be very important for you. Here on your right, you will be able to see which expiry you are looking at. So say for example, I'll just show you if I just pull Nifty data for this week by putting 1. In this example, I am pulling the option chain manually. I will just click pull option chain. You will see the system immediately starts functioning. Today being a Saturday, the data pulling activity is bit slow as the server at NSE end is generally very slow when it is a non-working day. So that's why it might take some time, but in real time, it pulls the data very fast. So now you can see the data has been pulled. It is showing you the last time when the server was updated at NSE end. You now see the max pain 13800. When I have put an expiry of 1, you see it has shown me the 4th of February expiry. In this data sheet, we have made one key change, which is we have removed the volume for the particular strikes. And instead of that, what we have added is how much percentage call writing or put writing has happened on a particular strike, which means if I have to analyze this here, out of these 11 strikes, we see the highest call writing is at 14,000 and it is about 32% of the overall call writing at this level. So therefore, this is a important level for us to note. The second highest number is 24%, which means 24% of the call writers who are there on this screen believe that 13,800 is unlikely to be breached. On the other side, I see 18% is the holding at 13,800 levels by the put writers. So compared to call writers, 18 is a smaller number definitely, but that doesn't mean that market cannot come up. That is not what I am conveying. So this key difference has been made in this sheet. The other key difference is now this sheet can pull any stock which is available to be traded in future and options both. So maybe I will first show you Bank Nifty and I will pull the monthly data by putting 4 and I'll say pull option chain. The the file has immediately started pulling the option chain And once the data is pulled, it will take you back to the main screen. So now we see 30,565 is the CMP, max pain is here. We see the expiry mentioned as 25th of February, and the option chain auto analysis has been done with a clear indication that 54% writing of call is at 31,000 even in the monthly data. Similarly, to show you one more example, I will try and pull SBI, and I will say this month expiry by saying 1 and pull the option chain. That might take some time. So we see the tool is pulling the SBI data. Now we see the current price, the max pain, and a similar analysis with the expiry date being here. So other than the changes which are visible on the main screen, there's one more change which we have done here is this data, which is basically like what is the current PCR at this moment, gets copied here continuously. Uh, this is based on the time interval which you may have prescribed at the time of auto running the tool. The good part would be in case you have run Nifty for say 30 minutes with 5-minute interval, it will actually have 5 to 6 line items every 5 minutes for Nifty. The next one could be SBI if you have run SBI for 15 minutes. Now that would help you to filter and see what was the PCR at a relevant point of time. And that analysis probably will also help you to see the intraday market movement, which is happening. And this data can be retained for weeks. So that is something which is very unique, which was not there in the earlier versions. So going back to the main screen, market trend sideways is something like currently the PCR is between say 0.81 to 1.2, something like that. So it is showing a sideways this thing. And here again we see that the red holdings indicate the least possible holdings in terms of percentages when it comes to put or when it comes to call. So that's a very brief description about the next version of the tool. I hope users are going to find it useful for trading. Thank you so much.